Hi guys, Slippery Tech back with another video. Today we're going to be doing a what's inside my toolbox video. We're not literally cutting it open, but I'm going to show you what's inside. I want to start with this first. So what I have in here is a bunch of wrenches. I love these because they work good on your bike, and yeah. We have a, what is this called?
I forget.
So do I.
Crescent wrench.
Yeah, that. And then we have a socket wrench, some sockets, and some wire clippers.
And a bunch of screwdriver bits. And then down here we have Allen keys.
And then over here we have a hammer.
This is brand new, guys.
More sockets in the socket wrench up here too. Some fasteners. There are tacks.
Wall mounts, little
drywall screws, and hooks. And then we have long nose pliers.
Oh.
Adjustable wrench. Some.
Wrench. Those are like.
Yeah.
I don't know what these are called. Well, they're like eyeglass repair kit screwdrivers, kind of like what you'd find in that.
And then we have a bunch of bits and 2 sets of Allen keys.
Same sizes.
And a tape measure.
And you want to show them the brand?
The brand is Hyper Tough. And it has 110 pieces. It's a home repair tool set. And yeah. So, I want to give you guys some information right now. I can't talk today. Hopefully in about 15 minutes we'll be doing another video. Probably, most likely.
More minutes. Maybe like an hour.
Yeah, an hour. And so I hope you guys tune in for that. Subscribe, comment down below.
Leave it a surprise.
And like and share. Let's get a lot of views. Go subscribe to CJ Films. And I hope you guys enjoyed.
The channel likes a goat, so go subscribe to me.
So I hope you guys enjoyed. So bye.